I'm Faylin from Primary 2. My name is Dwayne and I'm from Primary 1. I am Akil from Primary 1. My name is Kayla Hana and I'm from Primary 2.
I'm Basil and I'm a P6 student.
I'm Lishane and I'm a P6 student.
I'm Izella and I'm a P4 student.
My name is Beza and I'm a P4 student.
My favorite subject is music because I can learn singing.
My favorite subject is PE because I like sports.
My favorite subject is math because I like to do math problems. My favorite subject is math, mother tongue and English because I like to mother tongue because I like to write in Chinese. Then English is because I like to read the books, and math I like to play math games. Well, because there's a lot of fun activities. Planting, watering, planting seed, then we harvest it. Recess, I like to eat food.
I really remembered that we were all gathered in the hall for a talk with the principal. At first, I felt like really nervous, but after the talk and meeting my new teachers and classmates, I really just felt more confident.
I remember all the warm welcomes the teachers gave me when we were gathered in the canteen to rearrange our classes. I also remember the fact that the P5 students came down to help us order our food when it was recess time because we were still young and didn't know how to order our food by ourselves.
I was a little nervous, but then we got to play games to know our friends better. So that helped, and our teacher was very kind. She was a little funny. She made us laugh.
I remember when I was nervous and excited, I went to my class. I had a buddy for me to introduce me to the school and everywhere. I enjoy CCA. My CCA is badminton. There's a lot of skills and challenges for me when I'm doing CCA every Thursday.
One unforgettable experience I've had in TNPS happened when I was a P4 student. Basically, during recess, I had fallen down onto a drain cover and I had actually injured my leg pretty badly. Luckily, a teacher nearby, she saw this and she helped accompany me to the general office. After the nurse in the general office had given me some medical attention, I was surprised to see that once I had exited out of the general office, I saw the same teacher waiting there, waiting to accompany me up to class. I think that this is one of the examples that show how caring our teachers are.
I remember our senior Olympic day and junior Olympic day in school, where we were all gathered as a class to compete against other classes. Although it was quite challenging, like battling to win in the sports, we all persevered throughout it because we had strong teamwork and we all understood each other and managed to get where we wanted to get. The activities in class, our teachers love putting activities in class, which makes it more easier for us to learn because we're more focused on it and we get more inspired through these activities. Like building blocks during lessons so we understand more. Our train of thought is like it flows perfectly throughout the whole thing because our teachers are slow, patient and nurturing, so they understand us.
I love it when we celebrate the festive events like Hari Raya and Chinese New Year. We get to do crafts and learn more about their culture, and also my friends are very kind and respectful to me in all ways, so I love that a lot. Some unforgettable moments. When I was a P1, I have never got an award before, but then out of nowhere I got an award. I was so happy, and then when I was getting the medal, I was so nervous, and I was thinking, how could I have gotten this?